All right, you guys have made it. Welcome to your very own Notion template for menstrual tracking, but it's not just menstrual tracking, it's so much more. So let's go in and get into it so I can really help you utilize every function from this Notion template. Okay, so first off, we're going to be going over the dashboard, which is like your main control system. And as you see, dashboard today, weekly, monthly, seasonally, annually. This Notion template is designed so that you can really stay on track with your goals and be present with yourself as you adapt cyclical living and cycle syncing to your life. So right now we are on the dashboard. Each of these, it's like a menu bar, so you can click on any one of these tabs. Let's start with the sidebar and then we'll move into the menstrual tracking system on our dashboard. So here you'll find the current moon phase. This updates daily. So the objective of this is for you to be able to see how the moon's energy impacts your menstrual cycle. So like we've learned in our cycle synced course, the menstrual cycle can be correlated with the different phases of the moon. And for instance, the full moon would be ovulation, and the energy of ovulation is exciting, it's confident, it's dense, and like I said, you have learned more about that in our program. The real idea here is for you to be able to make connections between the rhythms that are going on externally and the rhythms that are going on internally. How is the moon impacting you? Do you have any sort of correlation to where you are in your phases of your menstrual cycle with the phases of the moon? Beneath this, we have a section for a brain dump and notes. So you can type here. I love just whenever I have an idea to let the ideas flow. So if I'm like, get paper towels, tell your boyfriend or girlfriend to clean the motherfucking toilet. An idea maybe pops up into your head for work. You're like, ooh, record the video in the bathroom instead. Whatever you want to put there. So I love a little section for a brain dump. Get freaky with it. Just let your thoughts fucking flow. There's really no perfectionism here. And then as you scroll down, you have a tab for resources. So there is actually resources for your menstrual through your luteal phase where you'll actually, if you forget about like, oh shit, what am I supposed to eat in my menstrual phase? How am I supposed to move my body? You can click on this tab and this is just a quick reference sheet for you. So you have general information, food, and movement. In order to navigate back to your Notion template, you have this little bar here. You can go ahead and click cycle synced and this will take you back to your dashboard. If you don't know the foundations of the Notion in general, I highly recommend watching some just like brief tutorials on how to navigate. So as you scroll down, you'll see quick access to the meal planner, movement planner, and the overall index of this Notion template. I'm going to be going over these in a later tab, so don't worry about these right now. It's important to understand how self expression and desire for music changes throughout the month. So I just put this here for reference. I create a menstrual phase playlist for you to be able to like just make some connections between how maybe the frequency of music can help you heal during more of a reflective time like the menstrual phase. So if you'd like to change this to your Spotify playlist, click these three dots or more action, and then you'll go down to replace. So you click replace and you can paste in the link of whatever playlist that you want to share here. And if you need instructions or further instructions on how to do that with Spotify, I'll just show you quickly. You go to a playlist, you can click three dots and then down to share, copy link, and then that's where you'll paste this. All right, now we're going to move over to the juicy little section of menstrual tracking on your dashboard tab. So here you'll have a daily check-in where you can log your symptoms, where you can log your energy levels. There's also a spot for a daily journal. So you can make further connections of how your mind, body, spirit, emotions are all intertwined and how your decisions and actions directly impact your menstrual cycle. You have learned about this, again, in your cycle synced course. But for instance, let's say it's Wednesday, the 22nd of May. I will go ahead and add something here, and let's say May 22nd log. That's what I'll title it. Feel free to title it whatever you need to do. You'll have a space here for all of your symptoms that you want to add. So your basal temperature, directly add here. Your mood, you can click and select. But what I love about this Notion template is that you can get as customizable as you want. So if you're feeling something that isn't here, let's say numb, I can add numb by typing and pressing enter. If I want to change this color so that it's not all out of whack, I just press these three dots and can change the color. If I want to delete that, I can delete that. And then as I come down, I'll be able to adjust, let's say, my bowel movements, whether I'm craving certain foods or categories of foods, the symptoms that I'm feeling, sexual activity, whether I took a pregnancy test, let's say my energy levels. If you wanted to add something on here instead of pregnancy test, you wanted to add acne, you can go ahead and add acne and then change these like I showed you before by pressing the three dots to delete or typing to add. And that's not how you spell acne. My dad is calling. All right. Down here, you'll find a habit tracker. So I have input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 habits here. I think 5 is more than enough. Don't get carried away with yourself. Don't load your plate up. So let's say you want to practice gratitude, movement, self-care, drinking more water, and meditation daily. Well, here is your daily log. You'll be able to click on the things that you complete, and this shows you your progress, right? If you feel like you don't want 5, feel free to delete or maybe hide the property and change these by renaming here. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see pre-made templates. So you can click your daily journal here to add in just your daily thoughts or have a free journal space. Maybe 3 things you're looking for, practicing gratitude, affirmations, what you love about yourself, maybe some things that you want to change about your day. Let the thoughts flow, right? Like, oh, when I eat in my car, I'm more prone to have diarrhea. Like, make some connections here. Let the thoughts flow. If you're feeling sad girl vibes, go ahead, let the thoughts flow down beneath. It's something that you can log so that later on, if you need to make connections about what phases you're in and how you're feeling, you can just click back onto your log. So that is it for the daily symptoms that will pop up naturally here. And as I scroll down, habit tracker is beneath. So I showed you the foundations of the habit tracker, how you can change, add, adjust, etc. And as you scroll down, here is your period tracker. So to create your own period tracker, just go ahead and click new period tracker and delete this bad boy. But we're going to be going over the reference here because there's actually a formula that is integrated into this period tracker that allows you to see not only your next predicted period, but also when ovulation is going to be. So these different tabs here give you different views. You can go over to this month or this week. So as we get a general overview of the year, we'll be able to start seeing patterns. The more information that you put in, the more accurate this is going to be with your cycle. So let's say you just started this period tracker, you've only put 1 month in. Obviously, it's not going to be able to predict your next period or period or ovulation because you need to input more information. So as you go over to the month, let's go back to January. This shows you here's your period from the 1st to the 4th, and then the predicted ovulation is here. Again, you learn more about ovulation and your chances of getting pregnant in the menstrual tracking section of your course or whether you bought the individual ebook. Now, moving on with this, let's go ahead and head over to the Today tab.